Good super early morning. So glad you're here.
We daily vlog, so if you like this video, be sure to come back tomorrow.
We're gonna drop Sarah off at the airport.
Look who came with. Oh, she does not like the hat.
Man, I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive them when I kiss them. If you want some love, just let me know.
Alrighty, I got my bag all checked. I totally forgot that the store would be closed. It's 5 a.m. It's so early. I ended up like sleeping maybe like an hour or two last night. I feel pretty good. I'll probably sleep on the plane, but I always do that anyways. So it's time to go through security. I am going to start rereading the Harry Potter series. I know Peter and I had started, but we are going to continue, like I'm going to continue doing it on my own just because his extra time is sort of taken up by running. So I'm going to start reading that, chapter 1. What do I do? I'm not gonna lay. Can you lay? Is that a thing? I got the window seat, but it's crazy bright. I'm gonna have to keep it closed for a while. Did you see that driver zoom by? A quick update on my sleep last night. I got the vlog done. Everything situated, organized, ready to go. I slept for like an hour. So luckily I can sleep really well. And on plane, so hopefully I'll be able to sleep for like 2 more hours. So yeah, I will see you when we land in Chicago. Hey, no, 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 hey, no, 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 hey, no, no, no. On behalf of the entire flight crew, Southwest Airlines would like to welcome you to Chicago's Midway. Alrighty, so I'm here. Like the popcorn smells so good for some reason. But anyway, that flight was so empty. I'll put in a clip here I took of it. There was like 75 people. Just crazy. The flight attendant commented when I got off, "Did you have a nice nap?" Because I slept through takeoff. But yeah, I got my good sleep in. I should be good for the day. Just headed to baggage claim, and then my sister will be picking me up.
1 hour later.
We made it. You're so sweet, and your teeth are so cute.
It was like her teeth or your teeth. I know.
Violet woke up sick, so we got to go to the doctor today. You see it? Ooh, get the microphone. Boop boop. Oh no, I'm going this way. Ooh. She's gonna get me. This is funny. It's just me and Vivi at home. Here, I let you hold it, okay? Like this. And you hold it. See your tootsies. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
You jumping?
More. Good job. Good signing. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. More. Can you jump on the bed? You're sure to win. Just two maids of honor reporting for duty. Oh yeah, reporting for duty. We are going to go bridesmaid dress shopping for Jenna, our older sister. And I thought the timing was going to be better because I wanted to point out the baseball field. If I talk long enough, maybe we'll get there. Okay, Jenna's wedding is going to be at White Sox ballpark, which is coming up. I started this clip way too early. I thought I was being clever. Christina's dad.
I have secondhand embarrassment.
So yeah, the wedding is there. Both Jenna and Billy work there. And we're gonna go try on some dresses.
Cue the cute music. What did I say? Cool the cue music. This is why I can't be a YouTube star.
Okay.
This is why my YouTube career hasn't taken off yet. Cue the cool. Forget it.
Cue the cue music. There.
Cue the cue. Cue the cue music. I said it right the first time, but you missed it.
Singing this song, I see I was wrong. To tame you down, I was the clown. I'm singing this song, I see I was wrong. To tame you
Name of the stylist.
What?
Violet. I like the blushy.
That is cute. Christina was just like, are you so excited to sit in traffic for a half hour? This is the big difference. I'm gonna get copyright on that. The big difference between Chicago and Orlando is that you can go 12 miles in Orlando in like 12 minutes, and you can go 12 miles in Chicago and it take 2 hours. But it probably should only take us like 45 minutes, so.
Good evening, everybody. So Sarah took the big camera, and if you were watching along our Star Wars runs, Run Disney events in April, I broke our G7X. So that kind of does it for our main vlogging cameras. I could use a GoPro, but it would be hard to transfer over to Sarah because Sarah's going to edit from Chicago. So I'm using my cell phone. But I'm meeting up with my UK friends, and apparently they're doing some special annual pass holder event tonight too in Animal Kingdom, which kind of worked out because they planned on being there anyway. Yes, I've left my sunglasses at home, and that's why I was squinting so bad just now. That gorgeous, gorgeous, bright, bright sun. All right, check that out. I got it. Just went to guest relations. They looked at my annual pass card, asked how many I had with me. So we're gonna see. I don't know who's with Shaun and Kellen, but we're gonna see if we can get more. So they're at Yak and Yeti right now. I gotta grab a fuel rod because I gotta charge my phone because I can't go a 5th day without running. So I don't know what time I'm getting home tonight, but I'm going on a run, and I don't know how far I'm gonna go on a run because it's a little humid, but I want to go far. I'm very close to just pulling the trigger on an ultra marathon, a 50K, 31 miles in Daytona, but me and Sarah are still texting back and forth about what we think about it. It's a month before Dopey, so that could be a little risky, but I gotta go find my friends. Swapping the fuel rod. Shaun just texted me and said, hurry up and get to Everest. They have a fast pass for me. And then we'll double back to guest relations and see if we can get more wristbands. All right, we got Shaun and Caroline, the rest of the clans here. And we have Expedition Everest Fast Pass. It's Caroline's first time on it ever. Excited? She's gonna love it.
Right.
So this right here is what an iPhone looks like in dark. Look how dark that is. Sean's here with me. Oh, he's gonna show off with his, what is this, note? Look at that. Beautiful. World's difference. He's a real vlogger.
Caroline's is even better.
Oh yes, I have the new Samsung S10 Plus.
Smoking wire. Created by the Navi. Enjoy your celebration. So we gotta hear everybody. Nice job, yeah? Okay, alright, keep your hands clapping. Now let's try it out. Go! Nice job, yeah. Alright, bring it down. Listen. It worked. The Banshees have heard you! Yeah!
So Sean, Caroline, and myself decided to not watch the show. So that's why you just saw our go home sequence. And why you're staring at this amazing cute pup. So we decided that, like none of us were exactly like super thrilled and needing to see it this second. Because their vacation is still far from over. So they'll probably get a chance because it premieres this weekend, I guess. And I have a feeling it's just like a modified intro or finale. And Eve's used to being home with Sarah all day long. So the fact that Sarah wasn't home today, even though she came with me this morning to drop her off and I had it in the very exciting early hours, she still was home from like 7:30 a.m. until I came home at close to 6 p.m. Was home alone all day because Ben was out to work before I left and didn't come home till after, and then she was alone for a few more hours when I was out with them. So that's kind of what led me to come home, is I wanted to spend some time with her to make sure she was good and happy, and that's why I'm not going on a run right now as well. I know excuse is an excuse. I should go out even if it's just for one, but we gotta make sure my pup is good, and I missed her. And since it's just me and Eve tonight, I went with a little different genre of movie tonight, and we're gonna put on Mr. Smith Goes to Washington. I highly suggest it if you've never seen it. That's our buddy from It's a Wonderful Life over there. And then today is May 23rd. Nothing special going on today there besides it being an incredibly fresh new day. And the quote of the day is, "Let yourself be silently drawn by the strange pull of what you really love. It will not lead you astray." Rumi. I think that was an incredibly important saying and way to live, is to just let what you love pull you towards it and to trust that. Right, Eve? You pulled me home tonight and you got itchy paw or something, so I'm gonna pet you all night. I'm not sure how Sarah's gonna edit this, and we haven't talked about how we're gonna do this, but I'm sure she'll think of something clever. Thank you all. We love each and every one of you. You guys are the best, and I miss Sarah. It's good to be home.
I can finally show off the Mother's Day gift we got from my mom. It is one of the bricks that they are allowing you to customize and buy, because the bricks that are surrounding the Magic Kingdom are being tore up. So we didn't have one. My dad always really wanted one. And so we got the Ryan family, which is my maiden name, and the first year of our very first trip. Grant is playing some, what is this called? FIFA. So he's gonna play, I'm gonna edit. I think this whole trip I'm gonna edit at night so that I can just enjoy all of my time during the day. So I just talked to Peter. I'm trying to get his files, and iCloud is finally cooperating, so
and she's running on 3 hours of sleep.
And I slept 1 hour in my own bed, 1 hour on the plane, and 1 hour on the couch earlier before we went to downtown. So I'm excited to go to bed. It's good to be home, right?
It's great to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.